Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate premix. First, gather your dry ingredients like cocoa powder, sugar, and powdered milk. Next, measure each component accurately to ensure a balanced flavor profile. Then, combine everything thoroughly in a large bowl. Finally, store your freshly made premix in an airtight container for future enjoyment. This simple process makes delicious hot chocolate easy to prepare anytime. To start, you'll need unsweetened cocoa powder, about 1 cup, for that rich chocolate base. Next, add 2 cups of granulated sugar to achieve the perfect sweetness. For a creamy texture, incorporate 1½ cups of powdered milk. Don't forget a small pinch of salt. It truly brings out the deep chocolate notes, making your premix extra delicious. Once you have all your ingredients, whisk them together thoroughly in a large bowl until the mixture is completely uniform. For an extra treat, consider adding about 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips. You can also customize your mix with a dash of cinnamon or a tiny pinch of chili powder for a unique flavor. Store your finished premix in a cool, dry place. To enjoy your hot chocolate, simply add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the premix to 1 cup of hot milk or water, then stir until dissolved. Your homemade hot chocolate premix can be stored in an airtight container for up to 3 months, ensuring fresh flavor. Remember to label your containers with the ingredients and simple preparation instructions for convenience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.